Alrighty, this is gonna be for the 4.8s, 5.3, 6.0s, and 6.2s. P0300, P0332, trying to avoid taking off the intake manifold. So we're gonna try to do the wiring trick. Bank 2 is your rear, and then bank 1 is your front. Number 1 is blue, and then bank 2 is green. So we're going to take the female wire and put them together. Little cheat sheet. Firstly, we're going to take off this cover. That's going to be a number 8. Right, that's going to expose some of the good stuff. This right here, this is the one that we're going to be working on. Okay, this is what's going to the factory wiring harness on the truck. Looks to be in good shape. This is the one going to your knock sensors under the intake manifold. So these are what we're going to cut. Let's see. And we're cutting this one too. So these are the pieces that we cut off. So, oh, yeah, that was right. Green and blue, green and blue. All right, now we're going to take the wires, strip them back.
What up? What are we doing now?
Making a video.
Yeah.
Because all the videos on YouTube suck. Figured out how to bypass the knock sensors. Or one of them at least. The one that's throwing the code.
Yeah. Didn't know you were able to do that.
I am today. So number 1 reads good, but number 2 reads bad. So I'm gonna take the wires if I can get this tape off and make them both read off bank 1. But all the videos suck. Nobody shows you which one to really do.
Mm-hmm.
Because you got to take the intake, you got to take this whole manifold off to get to them, and they're about $100 a piece once you get to them. It's fucking old ass electrical tape. If I can get through this tape. we'll be in good shape. There we go.
Good date.
15-year-old, 18 years old. All right, now I can see blue and green. All right, so bank one is the blue one. That's the good one. The green one's bad for me. So this blue one is going to go to both of them right there. That's the wiring harness on the truck.
Buy one.
Yeah, supposedly. Blue is the good one. Number one, about 12 gauge-ish. A little smaller. Oh my gosh, I cannot get them. There it goes. And then both of these come back. It was 16 gauge once upon a time. But it's not no more. That's pretty. 2 strands.
That might have been the problem.
Maybe. Yeah. Once upon a time. That mosquito was eating my face off. Okay, so that one's not great. Which the blue one was the one that was working. There we go. There's some good meat.
And mosquitoes. Ooh.
I know. I didn't think that they were going to be as bad right now. They're killing me. All right, so this side is the side that goes to the knock sensors. We're going to take the blue one and connect it to the green and the blue.
Let me grab this.
What's that?
$35 for a clutch kit.
We got a finder.
Yeah. No exit.
All right. So this one is a 14 to 16 to fit both of these on this side. So you take your crimpers, insulated crimpers, put it on the blue, hold it in there, put your wires in, crimp it all the way, and then get these staged to do your second crimp with your other blue wire. All right, now that you got those in, go ahead and do our heat shrink. All right. So that's both of your sensors from your ECU, your harness, going to a single knock sensor, which is number 1 in my case, which is the good one. Number 2 is bad. Green is bad. So we'll get our tools cleaned up just a little bit. All right, we got the keys to the truck, so we'll hop in. Okay, get our scanner in. Key forward. Let's see if we get any codes. All right, it's the P332, which is the knock sensor. And an evap code. That's all right. There we go. Get this thing started up. And we'll clear the codes. No trouble codes at this time. Definitely rev it up faster than what it was. So I'll do a drive with this. I'll put down in the description if anything pops up, but as of right now, that's looking pretty good. I had just done all the spark plugs, the wires, boots, trying not to spend money on the coils. Okay. So the truck's warming up a little bit right now. Still gonna check engine, nothing on the dash. All right, we'll go give it a drive and see.